Hello and welcome to Locs, where we bring you the freshest hairstyle inspiration. So in today's video, we'll be diving into the world of dreadlocks, also known as locks. I'll be showcasing 50 of the most stylish and trendy dreadlock styles that will elevate your look and boost your confidence. Whether you are new to locks or have been rocking them for years, you are sure to find something inspiring in today's video. So sit back, relax, and let's get into the top dreadlock styles for men. First up, we have got short dreadlock styles. Short locks are perfect for men who want a low maintenance yet stylish look. This style is ideal if you are just starting your locks journey or prefer a neat, clean-cut appearance. Adding a taper fade to short dreadlocks give a fresh and polished look. The clean sides and the textured locks on top create a bold contrast that is modern and cool. High top locks. This style keeps the locks at the crown of the head while fading the side. It is a stylish way to rock shorter locks, giving a versatile look that is easy to maintain. If you are looking for something with a bit more structure, a side part in short locks can add dimension and sophistication to your hairstyle. Short dreadlocks are great for guys who want to keep things minimal yet trendy, and the best part is that these styles are easy to manage day to day. Now let's talk about long dreadlocks. Long locks give you a ton of styling options and can make a major statement. Here are some top looks to consider. Free-flowing locks, simple but stunning. Long, free-flowing dreadlocks are a timeless look. You can leave them natural, showcasing the texture and volume of your locks, or add accessories like bead or wraps for extra flair. Braiding your dreadlocks not only add a unique touch, but also help protect your locks from damage. Try styles like cornrows with dreadlocks or simple three-strand braid for a sleek pulled back look. Locks with undercut. This combines the edginess of an undercut with the boldness of long locks. You can either let the locks hang loose or tie them up for a stylish top knot or ponytail. Long dreadlocks offer versatility, and the more length you have, the more creative you can get with styling. For those who want to step it up a notch, intricate patterns and accessories are the way to go. Twisting two or more locks together is a great way to add texture and design to your look. These styles are both stylish and functional, keeping your locks out of your face while giving you a unique twist literally. From beads to metallic cuffs, accessories can transform your locks from simple to stunning. Lock jewelry is a great way to express your personality and add a bit of flair to your hairstyle. If you want a more polished or formal look, tying your locks into a high bun or top knot keeps things clean while still letting your locks shine. Intricate styles and accessories can make your dreadlocks stand out and add that extra bit of individuality. Finally, no dreadlock style is complete without proper maintenance. Here are a few quick tips to keep your locks healthy and looking great. Moisturizing. Dreadlocks can become dry, so keeping them moisturized is key. Use natural oils like coconut or jojoba oil to nourish your scalp and locks, preventing breakage and promoting growth. For those who prefer neat, well-maintained locks, regular retwisting is important. This keeps the roots tight and prevents them from unraveling. Use a silk or satin scarf or pillowcase to protect your locks while you sleep, reducing friction and frizz. Maintaining healthy locks doesn't have to be complicated. With regular care, your dreadlocks will continue to look stylish and vibrant, no matter which style you choose. And there you have it, 50 of the top dreadlock styles for men, from short and simple to long and intricate. We hope you found some inspiration for your next look. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more styles guide and look inspiration. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye.